Welcome. If you want to change the vibration settings in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to tap on the sounds and vibration. And here we got the first vibration options. There's the vibrate while ringing, so we can activate it with the switcher. And right now when we scroll down, we can find another one. There's the vibration pattern. And also vibrant intensity. And I think the last one will be right here, probably. Oh yeah, it's right here in the sound system sound. And there's the touch interactions. So when we tap on the screen, we'll feel the haptic vibration coming through the screen to our finger when we activate this function. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.